This looks good, y'all. This looks so good.
It looked like real meat.
I tried to tell you. And you was not hearing it.
2 seconds later.
Ma'am. You need some more seasoning in that bit. That's what it looked like to me. It's the facial reaction for me.
It's missing something for me.
What is it missing for me?
Some onion powder.
Damn, look, bro. Bro, oh my gosh, bro.
I just wanted a little bit.
Bro, yeah. This shit gonna taste like onion soup.
AK, Asha, AK, Kosh, AK, Asha, Asha. Let me hop on.
You guys, so Ty just made it here. It's a little late, but he been here. But we've been chilling, we've been vibing, whatever, fuck it. But I told him I wanted to cook him a vegetarian meal that I am used to. That, you know, he would like a spaghetti, but it's vegetarian. Look at his face.
All I'm gonna say is, hold on, come on.
Yeah,
come
you
on,
need a light. You need a light.
All I'm gonna say is, don't make a lot of this shit. That's all I'm gonna say.
I'm gonna make it because I'm gonna keep it eating it because it's
Okay,
gonna
well,
be good. Most of the time, I don't tell people, and then they eat it and they be like, "This is good," yeah, but I don't be nice.
Not everybody is vegetarian.
Okay.
Me, I'm not vegetarian. I never ate no vegetarian meals in my life.
So this is what I'm making. If y'all know, y'all know. It's the corn. Oh snap! It's the corn meatless grounds. So basically, it's ground meat, but it's made with soy. Well, it's not soy, because it's soy free and non-GMO free.
What that mean?
Made in the lab. Let me get my other supplies out. Should I use this spaghetti? Right? The whatever this is, Barilla.
That shit, Barilla.
Barilla?
Barilla, like Barilla.
Barilla. Or should I use my organic lean cuisine?
Barilla.
He wasn't having. This is from Whole Foods, okay? This is from Whole Foods. What'd you say?
You going to Whole Foods now. You going to Whole Foods.
What is that supposed to mean?
Put the camera on me.
Okay.
Is this shit recorded?
Yes.
You go to Whole Foods.
Uh-huh.
I go to Kroger and Publix and Walmart. Why are you going to Whole Foods?
I go to all those stores as well.
Whole Foods is the more expensive route. And they got a lot more of a healthier option.
Right.
You know?
Exactly why I go.
That is smart. But shit, I don't give a damn. See, look, your bag must be set up different than my bag. I've never been to Whole Foods in my life. My bag not bad. But you go to Whole Foods, like, bro.
No, it's not a lie. It's just like.
Where's this pasta? Bro. Now, look, come on. Y'all watching this video.
I got that at Kroger's.
Which is y'all gonna pick? This shit or this shit? Niggas is picking the Barilla because this is what niggas grew up on. Everybody know this shit right here.
But it's processed. That's probably not processed as much. It's like non-GMO free.
Look, you cooking it, I'm not gonna say shit.
It's non-GMO, like I said.
You can do what you wanna do.
We can have a non-GMO meal.
You can do what you wanna do.
That probably got hella GMO.
Which one do you want?
I mean, I don't really know what GMO is.
All I know is I left the fucking breadsticks at the fucking crib.
I know, that was your only job. It's okay. I got rolls.
Crazy?
What? I appreciate you for like trying.
No, for real. I'm gonna try this vegetarian shit, but look, everybody watching this video, tell the guy, no vegetarian, tell the guy, smooth.
You like that meat.
I enjoy meat, but I don't even eat meat like that. I eat fish, I eat rice, and I eat my greens. That's why you see it. Tell the guy's in pretty good shape. You see them arms in this video, right? You see these arms in this video. This ain't no fuck shit. This ain't no bullshit. see them arms in this video. And let them know what it is in real life though. Let them know.
I feel like my heart is bigger.
Alright.
I be in the gym for real. Look at that.
Bro, you Gabby Douglas Jr., bro. Get
I
outta
just
here,
started
bro.
going to
Get
it's been
outta
a
here,
month.
bro.
Stop
Get outta
playing
here,
with
bro.
me.
You holding me, bro. This is, look, underneath this shirt, like, y'all can tell right now watching this video, I'm ripped. I'm still got to get ripper though. Don't get it twisted. But y'all can see under this shirt. Come on now, bro. I could really be a bodybuilder if I wanted to. If I want to say fuck YouTube and just start being a bodybuilder,
You do fitness content.
I'll start doing that shit on that.
We just started the water on a boil, but you know, you gotta season your water. I don't know about you, but we season the water around here. We put a little oil so the noodles don't stick.
May I ask where you learned how to cook?
My best friend actually taught me how to cook.
Where's your best friend?
Her name is Jordan. She actually cooks a lot. And,
Oh, really?
Well, not a lot, but she does, and she taught me how to like cook. Cause like when I moved out, I didn't know a lot of dishes. Well, I didn't know how to cook. Let's be honest, I didn't know how to cook. So she came over and started teaching me how to cook. That tilapia is actually something she taught me how to cook.
Oh, bro, now I'm the tilapia king. And I'm the real deal Holyfield when it comes to this cooking shit.
Oh, really? So I put pepper, garlic. I got Italian seasoning I'm gonna put in the water as well. And I'm gonna put a little splash of like salt. That's just for the water though. We're gonna put some more, later. But like this is just for right now.
Now my beard is really growing though, bro. I'm really happy with this
Are
shit.
you showing him yourself?
No, I'm not.
Cause I'm like, what's going on?
I should though. Would y'all like to see how handsome type of guy he is, man, with his beard? Y'all gotta see it, bro. Y'all do. The beard is growing, man. I've really been growing this shit all pandemic, man. Growing my hair all pandemic. We out the pandemic. As you know, she got her vaccine and shit. So we're really making it out the pandemic right now.
Yeah. I get the noodles since we're so much talking about the noodles. Let's
That
get
water
it.
boiling.
Yeah, I turned it down. You see it's making the whole microwave wet. Ooh. I'm dropping noodles,
Microwave got that wop.
I'm dead. You gotta break the noodles. Oh shit, I'm scared.
There you go, Gabrielle.
Is that enough or do we need more?
Shit, I think it's enough for me. Shit.
I'm dead because you're not trying to eat a lot.
You ain't cap?
I'm dead. I heard that. I felt that. But
Definitely not cap.
A little bit more. I'm not gonna use that.
Let me break that.
Go ahead.
Talking about shit was gonna hurt and shit, bro.
You had less
You was
than
scared
me.
and shit, bro. That shit crazy, bro.
Oh look, he really helping me. Y'all, Ty really helping me cook.
Bro, this is some easy shit, bro. This ain't shit. Like this ain't shit.
Be like, wow, this is so cool. Like, what? I wish people would help me cook. I feel like I'd be just, man, Ty different, no cap.
This shit ain't shit.
Ty different, y'all. Ty
This shit
different.
ain't shit.
No cap, Ty different.
Nah, this is not shit. It's just like sauteing the food. You gotta get that shit right. Like if I'm gonna eat some shit,
Oh
man,
shit, I forgot to put the
well.
onions. Should I put onions in it now? They're
I
frozen.
don't like onions, bro.
Good
You
to
can
know.
put
I'm
the
glad I
onions.
didn't do it.
I've been whipping the pot for so damn long. I've been whipping the pot 2 minutes, 26 seconds straight whipping the pot.
Oh, stop. You put sugar in your spaghetti?
Hell no. Put sugar in my Kool-Aid.
You serious? Don't put sugar in?
Y'all don't put sugar in this shit? You on some different shit, bro. Y'all know you cap right now. Alright, you gonna have to whip that pot, bro.
I'm gonna whip it. You're good.
My rib. I've been whipping my rib too long.
You're
bro.
good. You're good. You're good. You could have been stopped. Cause I'm putting the seasoning and stuff on it.
I just hit the Gabrielle Douglas, bro. You
I'm dead. I'm dead. Not you really doing it over there. Nah, why you stop? Why you stop?
Cause I felt like it.
Nah, show the people the Gabby. Hey, hey. I am dead. But like if it sticks, it means it's done. It is done.
Bro, where the hell did you learn that?
I don't even know. I just saw it somewhere and then like I always knew it. So the noodles are done. So we'll pull it out. Let's see if this is good. This looks good, y'all. This looks so good.
It looked like real meat.
I tried to tell you. And you was not hearing it.
Cause that shit, it ain't. That shit is beans.
But it's gonna taste like meat, and you're not even gonna know the difference. You probably like, damn, that shit do look good. You like, you. Everyone's gonna expect it to look good, huh?
What is she talking about? I don't know what she is talking about. But no cap. Your phone case versus my phone case in the comments, man. Who winning? You see Tyler Guy, bro. I got that plus. I got that big boy, man, because I do it big, man. Tyler Guy.
My hands are too small for that.
I got big hands, shawty. Ain't my problem.
Yeah, I like the little hands. It be too much because I feel like if I had that big phone, I'll hold it up and it hit me in my face. And I don't like that.
Okay, GD.
What is GD? Stop. What is that?
What you think?
Gabrielle Douglas?
I mean, goddamn.
Oh, okay.
In this circumstance, it means Gabrielle Douglas does.
You know, if I see you, I'm dead. We got tasty,
Ma'am. You need some more seasoning in that bit. That's what it look like to me. It's the facial reaction for me.
It's missing something for me.
What is it missing for me?
Some onion powder.
Damn, look, bro. Bro, oh my gosh, bro.
I just wanted a little bit.
Bro,
Yeah.
this shit gonna taste like onion soup.
And you don't like onions, that's crazy.
Dang.
Yeah, I just ruined it that fast. Let's see. It might not taste it. It might taste it.
You can stick to not cooking for niggas.
You see why? Damn.
But
I was so close, y'all.
look, you're human. You make mistakes.
It might not even taste that bad.
That shit gonna taste like onions.
I was missing some. I don't like that.
Damn, girl.
What else I need to... Come on, help me so I got you to cook.
You done fucked it up too much, girl. Shit, you not on my recipe vibe right now. I'm on a whole different...
What am I missing?
Girl, I don't know. I don't know.
Should I put some Cajun in it?
Girl, you just throwing anything in that motherfucker. God damn. You dying. You dying, bro. Stop the shit. Just stop the shit. Stop the shit.
No.
You're dying. You're dying. Bro,
I think it's
sit down.
got
Come on.
I think it's Tyler got it. You gonna fix it?
Oh, no. The shit is dead. The shit is dead. You just need to sit down.
Oh shit. It's because I put too much of that.
Look at this shit. This shit is breathing. This shit is breathing right now. Oh my gosh. This shit is breathing. Y'all hear that?
Spaghetti tacos.
That's not spaghetti tacos, bro. Like,
Like I can make.
damn, girl, you got the big ocean spray. You got some money to get that 548. God
If you buy
damn.
the big boy, you won't have to keep buying them.
God damn.
Buy the big boy, you're not gonna keep buying them.
Damn, that shit 548. Maybe 648. I get the 2 for $5.
I did get the 2 for $5.
Okay. Y'all, a little update on this. It is still breathing. That shit got a pulse in the middle. This shit is actual meat.
I'm dead. I hope it tastes bad.
Look, girl, you done really done fucked it up.
Maybe not. I'm trying to save it. I'm trying. Let me try.
Light some sage over that shit.
Dang, I be trying, y'all. That's all you can't say I didn't try. I got the tilapia still thawing out.
So what is you trying to say?
I got more food if it ain't gonna hit. I got more food if it ain't gonna hit.
Yo, what the fuck is going on right now? Seriously, what the fuck? She done fucked the food up. What the fuck? Yeah, that shit. More sugar? Bro, at this point, I know you just bullshit. At this point, I really know. Bro, if y'all watching this video, bro, look. I know I ain't crazy. I know I ain't crazy. If y'all watch this video, y'all comment down. Like, bro, like this is a part in a movie. If you watch a movie, you be like, what the fuck is she doing? This is some real shit. But you said you're trying to save it, so I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt.
Hey, no. You try. Let's just make a little bowl or whatever. Let's see. It's time to play this.
I have a great time with my life, and I want to share it. Greatness is not this wonderful, esoteric, elusive, God-like feature that only the special among us will ever taste. You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us.